Let's look at how you can transfer from Smart Etailing Webmail to Google G Suite email. If you've already set up a new G Suite account and added a Gmail email box for each Smart Etailing Webmail email box you want to transfer, and verified your domain with Google, you can skip ahead to around the 3-minute and 15-second mark of this video. From the Smart Etailing Help Center, search G Suite Email Migration and choose the G Suite Email Migration page from the results. From that page, click the link to choose your level of G Suite service. For most users, the basic level will be a good choice. Enter your business name. Choose the number of employees who will need email boxes in the new G Suite account. Typically, you'll want to create a new Gmail account for each person who has an account now in Smart Etailing Webmail. Then click Next. Fill in your contact information as the G Suite account admin and click Next. Now, you'll confirm your domain name, how you'll sign in, and you'll set a password for your G Suite account. Click Agree and Continue. Review and confirm the G Suite plan you chose earlier in the process. Then you'll complete checkout. Your new G Suite account has been created. Continue to set up to access the admin console. You'll need to verify your domain with Google. The default option to do this is called TXT verification, but you'll want to click on Switch the verification method and choose Add a meta tag. Click Next and then Continue. Instead of opening your homepage's HTML file, as these instructions suggest, after clicking Continue, you'll copy the meta tag code by clicking the copy icon. Then go to your Site Manager and paste the code into the additional header tags area. Save that change, and then reset your website cache. Now, return to the G Suite setup and click Verify My Domain to complete the domain verification. This process may take some time, but once it is complete, you can move on to adding additional user emails to your new G Suite account. After clicking Create, click Continue and move on to Add another user to add additional email boxes. Continue and fill in the required information for this new user email account. Then click Save User to complete this user email setup. You will repeat this step for all users who currently have a Smart Etailing Webmail email account and who will need a new G Suite Gmail account. If you didn't activate Gmail for all users earlier in the process, do that now. Now, it's time to migrate your email from Smart Etailing Webmail to your new G Suite Gmail accounts. From anywhere in your G Suite admin console, click the hamburger menu on the top left. Then, from Account, choose Data Migration. On the next page, click Set Data Migration Up and complete the following fields. For Migration Source, choose Other IMAP Server. For the type of items to migrate, choose Email. For the connection protocol, choose IMAP and enter secure.emailserver.com. That's secure.emailserver.com into the field for IMAP server address. For role account, enter a Smart Etailing Webmail login username and password. You can use any user email account, username, and password that is set up in Webmail for this step. Then click Start to establish the connection between your Smart Detailing webmail account and your new G Suite account. Now choose the migration start date from the pre-filled choices, or enter a start date of your choosing. The amount of time it will take for the migration to be completed depends on the size of the email database. So the further back your chosen start date is, the more emails from the past will be migrated over, and the longer this process will take. Select any migration options if you would like, but our recommendation is to leave these blank. Now, click Select Users to move on. Click Next to verify the G Suite account you're using. Enter your G Suite password and click Next. Now, you'll select the email accounts to be migrated from the user emails you added when you set up your G Suite email accounts. We suggest you add these one at a time, but if you have many accounts to migrate, you can upload a CSV file that contains a list of email boxes to be transferred instead. Either way, you'll need the matching email addresses from Smart Detailing Webmail and the password for each account to complete the migration. To migrate email accounts individually, click Add User. Enter the webmail email to be migrated from Smart Detailing Webmail and the password for that account. And click Start to begin the migration. You can monitor the status here. The time it will take to complete the migration will depend on the size of the email database being migrated, but once it finishes, you'll see the status change to complete. At this point, the migration of this mailbox is completed. You'll repeat this process for each mailbox account that you wish to migrate from Smart Detailing Webmail to G Suite. It's a good idea for each user to log into their new Gmail account and confirm that emails they expected to transfer made it over safely. The final step in this transfer process is to let us know that you have completed the email migration to G Suite by emailing us at support@smartdetailing.com. There is a critical change that needs to be made to your domain records before new emails will be delivered to your new G Suite email accounts. We'll make that change and confirm with you once completed.
Have questions, comments, or other topics you'd like us to cover in a video like this? Let us know.